Hello viewers, welcome back to Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions, Day 27, Round Down. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Alright, coming down to Round Down right after the Round Up in the previous video. This exactly does quite invert to what we have done in Round Up. So if you remember, the formula goes like this, requires two arguments, right? Round down, the number where we have the calculation, and the number of digits we are looking at round down, right? So I'll show you all the three examples here. Let me say I would like to zero it. I don't want any decimal character, just round down. What happens? It just puts it down to the number where we need 12. Earlier, if you see the round up, it was increased to round up with the 0. This changes to 13, but now it moves down to 12. So this is round up and this one is down. Right. If I was to say I need the first character, I need one decimal character which is round down. Now if you notice, it is 12.85, so it falls back to 8. It does not move on to 9. So if same what happens with the round up, it moves up to 9, right? Let me change it to the third character and look at it, it just falls back to the same number. And if I do the same here, it moves up to the next number, that is 7, round up to 8, 7.14. Just forget whatever there the remaining characters, remaining numbers, just fall back, round it down to the previous number, which is this third character, the 7. Right? Round down, round and round up, all three are basic functions which will deal with our number of decimals that we need, number of decimal, the way that we want to show it, whether you want to increase it or decrease it. If you ask me which is the best formula to use, use the basic, which is round. So round, this works because this works as per the mathematics. It only increases if the next decimal number is more than 5. It decreases if the next decimal number less than 5. In this example, if I show you the third character, if I want to round it, just round it. Look at this number, 12.857. Because this 12.857, after the 7, it is the number is 1, which is not a okay, so here, so which is not more than 5. If I was to have anything more than 5, something like this, equal to 5 or more than 5, this round formula moves it up. So use basic function which is round whenever you got to end up in the situation where you need to round the number of decimals. All right. So this is all for today. Round up, round down, and the basic function round. Let's meet in the next video, the day 28. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.